How to join Myntra affiliate program. Now, all you want to do first is to access any preferred web browser you want. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video. Now, if you, after accessing your preferred web browser and heading directly to Myntra.com's official site, this is actually a separate link, especially if you're joining the affiliate program. So what you want to do is just to add something on the URL. So what you will be adding is /affiliates dash program, and then just directly hit on enter. Take note that you do not have to log in first. So what you want to do from here is just to head directly to profile, which is going to be at the right portion of your screen, and then head on login or sign up. Now this is going to be a separate account from your order account to your affiliate account. So what you want to do next is just to enter or input your mobile number, your official mobile number, and then once you have accessing it, just simply tick this box right here, hit on continue, and you will receive a 4-digit OTP, and then just input that here, and then you're good to go. That's it. That's how you join the Myntra affiliate program.